Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understand that GarageBand is officially an Apple-exclusive app, meaning you won't find it on the Google Play Store. However, there are legitimate alternatives that give you similar music production features on your Android device. The best option is to use third-party app stores or music production apps designed specifically for Android. Step 2. Download a reliable alternative like Bandcamp, FL Studio Mobile, or Caustic 3, which all provide professional-grade music production tools. Visit the Google Play Store, search for your chosen app, and tap the download button. Make sure your device has at least 2 GB of free storage space before starting. Step 3. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account if required. Most music apps offer free versions with optional premium features, so you can start making beats immediately without paying anything up front. Step 4. Explore the app's interface by checking out built-in loops, samples, and instruments. These tools work similarly to GarageBand, allowing you to layer sounds and create multi-track recordings right from your Android phone or tablet. Step 5. Start creating your first project by selecting your preferred genre and tempo. Experiment with different sounds, add effects, and share your finished tracks directly to social media or music platforms. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing any progress.